Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm here to talk about one of my favorite financial tools, Rocket Money. If you're using it just to track your spending, you're missing out on serious savings. Today, I'm going straight to the most impactful settings, the ones I turned on immediately, to help you truly take control of your money. No fluff, let's dive in. Setting 1, Subscription Cancellation Assistant. First up, and this is an absolute must turn on for me, the Subscription Cancellation Assistant. This is a premium feature, but worth it if you have subscription fatigue. My experience, when I first linked my accounts, Rocket Money found old subscriptions I completely forgot about. That gym membership I haven't used in a year? Gone. The setting, go to the Recurring tab. Find those subscriptions you don't need, and instead of clicking through endless cancellation pages, use the Cancel for Me option. The concierge team handles the hassle. Actionable tip, even if you don't use the paid assistant, you must check the recurring list and commit to canceling the dead weight yourself. This is where your first savings hit. Setting 2, Low Balance and Credit Alerts. Next, let's talk about staying safe and avoiding those nasty bank fees. Head over to the notification section in your settings. The setting, turn on low balance alerts. Set a specific, safe threshold for your checking account, say, $300. I set this up so the app will immediately notify me if my balance dips below that amount. This is your overdraft protection, plain and simple. Bonus alert, also turn on the credit utilization alert if you have premium. This is key for protecting your credit score. It flags you if your credit card spending gets too high relative to your limit, which directly impacts your score. Setting 3, Smart Savings/Automated Savings Plan. This is the setting that put my savings on autopilot, the Smart Savings feature. My experience, saving was always if I have money left over. With Smart Savings, Rocket Money analyzes my spending and income, then transfers small, safe amounts into a dedicated savings account. It literally saves money for me without me having to think about it. The setting, find the Goals or Savings section, set up a goal, like an emergency fund, and choose the Smart Savings option. Straight to the point, set it and forget it. It's the most frictionless way to build an emergency fund or save for a goal, ensuring you never overdraft while doing it. Setting 4, Transaction Rules for Better Budgeting. For better, more accurate budgeting, you need to set up transaction rules. This is crucial for fixing those pesky miscategorized expenses. The problem, Rocket Money is smart, but sometimes your target run includes groceries and clothes. This throws off your budget categories. The setting, tap on any transaction, and you'll see an option to create rule or change category. If all your transactions from a specific merchant, say, your local coffee shop, are always dining, create a rule so it automatically categorizes them correctly moving forward. Why it matters, accurate categories mean an accurate budget. Do this for your 5 to 10 most frequent merchants, and your spending insights become exponentially more useful. 215 to 240, Conclusion and Call to Action. So, to recap, the 4 most important settings to check today are: the Subscription Cancellation Assistant for immediate savings, low balance/credit alerts for fee avoidance and credit health, Smart Savings to automate your financial goals, transaction rules for a truly accurate budget. By turning on just these few settings, you've moved beyond a simple tracking app and transformed Rocket Money into a powerful financial assistant that's actively saving you money and protecting your accounts. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.